Struggling to find a better page builder for Gutenberg? Say goodbye to the frustration. With aBlocks, everything you need is right here. Bring your dream design to life with powerful blocks library. Organized, fast, and simple. With motion effects, create interactive sites that offer visitors smooth, fluid transitions for an immersive experience. Make your design responsive and fast. It's built for speed. No coding, no hassle. Speed up page building with one-click style copying from Figma. Paste it into your aBlocks page and get more done faster. Build stunning interactive sites with flip boxes, carousels, timelines, and more. Optimized for performance, keep important content in view with sticky elements, and guide your visitors with smart tooltips. Need an online course site? No problem. We offer native LMS integration with Academy LMS. Display price menu, enable social sharing, and engage visitors with an image scroller. Enhance your website with custom CSS, image comparison, and dual button functionality. Build better websites faster, powered by Academy LMS team. Let's get started with aBlocks and effortlessly transform your intricate designs into stunning reality today.